Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today let's see a simple recipe on chicken dum biryani. Now let's see the main ingredients. Basmati rice, chicken, oil, mint leaves, coriander powder, cinnamon, bay leaves, these are biryani leaves, clove, fennel seeds, ghee and 1 lime. Let's see the procedure to marinate the chicken first. We have taken 6 thigh pieces and 3 leg pieces of chicken for 4 cups of rice. Add little salt and turmeric to it and wash it well. You can drain off the water. Here I am adding 2 tablespoons of salt. Here we have taken 2.5 tablespoons of chili powder. You can add more based on your preference. If you don't eat much spice, then you can add 2 spoons based on the quantity. We have added 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. It is always preferred to add ginger garlic paste as it is good for our health. And now we can add 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. We have taken 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Now let's add little curd into it. You can add 4 to 5 tablespoons of curd. Here we have added 5 tablespoons of curd so that we get little gravy because we are not adding water in it. Now we are adding 6 to 7 tablespoons of biryani masala powder. Based on the quantity of biryani you are making, you can add the masala powder. Now in the next process, we have taken 1 full lime and we have to squeeze the lime. Make sure that you remove the seeds and squeeze it. Now I will add little oil in it so that it will have some consistency and pour little ghee so that it tastes good. Now we need to mix all the ingredients well until you see a thick consistency. So you need to mix it about 1 to 2 minutes so that the chicken gets marinated well. Once it is marinated, you can keep it aside and we can go to the next procedure. Now take 4 cups of basmati rice. Here we have taken Indian Gate basmati rice. So let's wash it first and then see the procedure to make biryani rice. Washing the rice, we have soaked it for about 45 minutes. Then we have added 1 liter of water to it and we started boiling it. Rice to be cooked for 70%. It generally takes 10 minutes when you boil it in a high flame. So in the meanwhile, let's add few ingredients into it. So here we have added cinnamon, biryani leaves, cloves, oil. We have added oil so that the rice don't get sticky. Salt for taste. Here we have added half tablespoon of salt because we have already added 2 tablespoons of salt in chicken. We are adding little soam to it because it is good for digestion. Now we see that the rice is 70% cooked. And you need to make sure that it does not get overcooked. So as it is 70% cooked now, we can turn off the flame. Now on the marinated chicken, let's add chopped coriander and chopped mint leaves. We need to spread it evenly on the top of the marinated chicken. We are not adding water in the chicken because chicken already contains little water in it. We have removed the water from the rice and we spread the rice on the top of the marinated chicken. And do not press the rice because it gets too sticky. And also remember that we need not add any extra water in it. Now we are adding little food color. This is a mixture of saffron and turmeric. Now put it in high flame for about 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes put it in medium flame for 40 minutes. It takes about 50 minutes of time for it to be prepared. So here we need to make sure that smoke doesn't come out. It has a lid lock system, that is the reason we have not put any weight on it. But if you doesn't have a vessel that has a lid lock, then you can put some weight on it so that the smoke doesn't come out. Now it's been 10 minutes, so I'll put it in medium flame for another 40 minutes. Now it cooked for 50 minutes. Now you can put off the flame. Now it's ready to serve. Do try the recipe and let us know what you think about it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more videos.